Solve the following system of inequalities graphically. First, we have x squared plus y squared is less than or equal to 25. So you should recognize that equation as the equation of a circle, and the circle is centered at the origin with a radius of 5. So let's go ahead and draw that in. All right, so I will just pick points that are 5 units away in each direction, and then draw in the circle the best I can. And I'm going to use a solid line because it's less than or equal to. If it was just less than, I would use a dash line. All right, and doing the best circle I can here. There we are. Now, the way that we shade. So all we need to do is just pick a point, and the origin is perfect. So we'll plug the origin into this inequality and see what happens. So we would have 0 squared plus 0 squared is less than or equal to 25, which means 0 is less than or equal to 25, and that is a true statement. So what that means is I shade the side of the circle that is contained within. So I'm saying the side of the circle, but it's really the inside of the circle or the outside of the circle. Okay. Now, the other inequality that we have is a line. And this line, I could change it into y equals, or I guess y greater than, a slope times x plus a y-intercept and graph that. But sometimes, if you'll notice, like if both of these coefficients are divisible by that constant, what you can do is just kind of like, we'll say 3x and let y equal 0, and then we have equals 15. And I'm using equals just because I want to know exactly where this happens on the x-axis. So if I let y equal 0 and solve, then I get x equals negative 5. So the point negative 5, 0 is on this line. All right, now if I do the same but let x equal 0, then I would have negative 5y is equal to negative 15, or y equals positive 3. So 0, 3 is a point on this line. And what that means is I have a line passing through these 2 points, and it's going to be a dashed line because it's just greater than. And since I know 2 points already on the line, that's enough to get a decent sketch of that line. But now I need to decide which side of the line to shade. So again, I'll test the origin. And if I plug in the origin to the line equation, I get 0 is greater than negative 15. And that is a true statement. So that means I'm going to shade the side of the line that contains the origin. So it would be all of this region down here. But the solution to the system is just the part that's going to intersect with the region that was the solution for the circle, which is the part that's inside here but below the line. So these parts up here aren't solutions to the system, it's just this that I've shaded.